Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the brand new release as of filming this video, the El Camino Oracle, Ancestral Wisdom for the Journey. This is written and illustrated by Sabina Espinet. She is an artist that has done the Mudra deck that I reviewed on this channel. Highly recommend checking her Instagram out, she's fantastic. This is also published by US Game System, whom actually sent me the deck, so thank you so much, US Game Systems. I am still in awe that you even know who I am. This retails for $23.95, and I will link in the description box below where you can purchase this deck legitimately, should you want to. All right, let's get into it. El Camino Oracle guides us through an enlightening journey that honors ancestral wisdom and celebrates cultural heritage. The 44 cards with titles in Spanish and English feature pre-Columbian imagery and folk art presented in the vivid colors of traditional textiles. In the 112-page illustrated guidebook, Sabina shares stories for context and prompts for assimilating the cards' concepts into our daily lives. While her family's own immigrant experience is steeped in Caribbean and Hispanic roots, El Camino Oracle offers all of us the universal gift of self-discovery. Oh, that is so awesome. This is her first deck that she has done on her own, so I'm very excited for her. All right. Look at the pretty back. Oh, how fun. Okay, so here's the book. Let's just take a peek here. Looks like it talks about her story on how she made this deck. So we can do daily guidance with one card. Looks like the Banderia, the flag spread, so 3 card. The El Camino spread, a 4 card. And then it goes into the cards, which we will take a peek at after we do the flip through. So I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, so they are square. The cardstock is actually really nice. It's the typical US Game System cardstock, not too thin, not too thick, but it is in a square, so that's going to be interesting to play around with. All right, it does have a little bit of a gloss there. I would not call it a high gloss. Cute. Oh, wow. I love that it's in both Spanish and English. I feel like that makes it more accessible, and like it completes the feel of the deck for her. Sweet. Oh my gosh. I'm excited to look at the guidebook. This art is beautiful. Oh. I love the different backgrounds. This definitely feels like a very thought through deck, very personal deck. Oh, sweet. Oh, I love it. All the detail in there. Little protection charms. Very sweet. Oh, I love it. It's a powerful one. Oh, I love a toucan. Oh my goodness. Very well done. How fun. I like this idea. Stories. So pretty. Oh. Oh, I love it. Sweet. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shuffle. Ooh, yes. I like that the size of these cards aren't too wide or too long to where you can grip them to shuffle. Yes, I'm gonna move this up. Yeah, I don't have an issue with how they shuffle at all. Okay, and then we're gonna read for musica or music, so number 36. Every country has its unique sound defined by the instruments developed from the materials of their region. In Trinidad, after the British colonists banned African slave descendants from playing drums, they resorted to new ways of making music by converting discarded oil drums and inventing the steel pan drum. Today, it is heard throughout the Caribbean in calypso music. In Peru and Bolivia, the unique sounds of the zampona or tarca, Andean pan flutes made from reeds, are easy to recognize. In Colombia, percussion instruments such as maracas made from coconut husks or the, please forgive me, the guacharaca made from palm tree trunks set the beat of the nation. We carry the rhythms of our culture within us, and they can remind us of who we are and where we came from. The song of our people is the song of our hearts, and if we forget it, we deny a part of ourselves. So assimilation. I will listen to the rhythm of my life. Feel the ancient human experience of song by making music a part of each day. Sing, listen, dance, watch a video, play an instrument, or keep the beat with your hands. So upside down. Have you forgotten to hear the music in life? So if you read reverse, that would make sense for upside down. Awesome. Okay, I really like this. I feel like this is very personal to her. Wow, there's even a map back here. Biography. This is really neat. I think if anybody is feeling called to find a deck that embraces their heritage, this might be for you. This seems like a very all-around versatile deck. However, if you need a little bit of guidance for your journey that you're starting out on, this might be a good one for that as well. I'm very proud of her for this being her first deck. I feel like there's multiple ways that this can be used. But it just, like I said, feels very much like a loved creation. Like she made this out of the love of her own heart and her heritage. I just really love the feel of it. I do feel like this can be great for a daily pull. So like if you wake up in the morning and then it's part of your ritual to pull a card for your day to see what you need to focus on. Maybe you ask what to release, or maybe you ask what you can do to integrate another part of your life in that day. This would be a great deck for that as well. Let me know what you think about this. I feel like this is really intriguing and interesting, and I cannot wait to experiment with it and see all the uses that I can get for it. I do feel like this would also be a really great journaling deck. So yeah, let me know all your thoughts down here. Did you pre-order it? Are you excited to purchase it? Let me know all your thoughts down below. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to check out my link tree in the description box below. It will give you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop, where I do private readings. I am running a special from now until October 30th of 2022, where you'll get 30% off just by being a viewer. So check that out. I'll put the code here if I remember. If not, you'll find it in the description box as well. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. It's beautiful. I'm excited to get to know it a little bit better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.